You've then gone, seen us again turn to behind you. Yeah. You've then gone down to the front of traffic where you've both been looking at us, looking behind you. I'm not listen, I'm not saying you're not. However, you're asking me why I stopped.
Donna, Gil. Gil.
You're asking why I stopped. Yeah. I stopped you because
he's been turning round on his bike looking.
You do?
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
Have I committed an offence? Have I committed an offence?
You don't need to commit
any offence. Listen to me. 163 Road Traffic Act allows me to stop any vehicle on a road, regardless of anything, to check documents, okay?
But you know on that computer.
What computer?
How do we know that? How do we know?
You've got systems on
you ride it fine.
We've got a computer, but we've not spoken to you.
How about this? If your bike had been stolen,
it would come up on system.
Listen, if your bike had been stolen, and I didn't stop it because I thought the light looked suspicious, but it'd be you riding it. Would you be happy about that?
No, but it'd come up.
Mum.
Do you understand what I'm telling you? If your bike had been stolen and there's a lad riding it, he's looking around, he's looking at police, he's gesticulating to his mate, and I think, oh, well, that's probably just owner at bike and not stop it. When I've had a chance to stop it.
But you've stopped him, you've seen he's all legal, so why are we having all this?
Why are we having all what? You've come up for any.
Well, you know he's legal, you must have checked it. You must have checked it.
You've gone out, you've been out.
You must have checked it. He got pulled yesterday for the same thing and got a ticket. Well, you've checked him, he's all legal, stop talking shit. You're talking shit, mate.
I've explained.
You're talking shit. You're talking shit, buddy. We are going to do. You are. I've got it, mate. I've got it. Talking shite, mate.
Explain to him why I've
Why have you stopped him then? Come back to the car.
Because he's looked behind.
Because I can stop him.
No, why have you stopped him? Legal reason why.
Under 163 Road Traffic Act, I can stop any vehicle on the road.
No,
good for you. Good for you.
Because big men.
It does. It's all what it looks like. You're bullying him constantly. You're bullying him.
I've never met him before.
Well, police are bullying him. Police are bullying him. You work for police. Police are bullying him. You're bullying him, mate. You're bullying him. Pulling him up on a motorbike.
It's legal. It could be out. We're not.
If that were his bike had been stolen.
I'm gonna make you both famous today. Make you famous, mate.
How do we get motor vehicles?
Wait a minute. He could have been out with a knife doing crime. He doesn't do
Bring your bike in.
He goes to college.
Bring your bike in, mate.
Come on, baby.
Make you famous, pair of you.
I'm going
See you later.
to the police station on my way home because it's pathetic.
I will do.
I will do.
See you later. Bye.
Come on.
See ya.